Hello friends, I have a sparkling news for this 2022. So Red Hat security team included my code inside the security bulletin of Log4Shell remote code execution Log4j CVE 2021-44228. So let us take a look how it looks like inside the official Red Hat portal. So if you deep dive in the page, go to the diagnose link and you fall down to this section that included the official Red Hat diagnose. Yes, release version 1.3 by the way, the 10th of January 2022. And I was so fast to update my Ansible code playbook that now is officially included. So if you follow this link, you ended up in some Ansible playbook code officially by the security team, as also the fingerprint and all the guarantee of the security team. But yes, it's my code, the one that we started together 2 weeks ago. That was nearly the 22nd of December 2021, and as you can see there are a lot of improvement. I work a lot under the scene, so these are all the things that are included also in my GitHub repository, but it's so nice to see into the Red Hat security surrounding. So follow my channel for a lot of more interesting news and have a sparkling 2022. Yes, bye, take care, have a great day, bye.